everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to download and install Kahoot on your mobile device. So the Kahoot app, I'm going to search it now. The first thing you do is click on the search icon at the bottom, then click on the search bar at the top and write Kahoot, and then you tap on it. So this is the app. You tap on the app and you tap on install. So let's see what the app is about. So the Kahoot app is a learning app appropriate for 6+ and above. It's expert approved. We also have ages 9 to 12 education productivity quiz maker. So you can create and play learning games at school, at home, or at work. That's what the app is for learning. Also, you can use to learn art, fun and engaging popular topics. It's fully designed for children, words and sound, ease of use, art and animation, creativity and imagination, creative thinking, critical thinking, actually, positive messages like empathy, diversity and emotions. So this app contains a large and varying amount of content, and new content may be added frequently. Approval is based on a limited sample of the content available for users under the age of 13 at the time of review. So let's see what it is. So you can play, create and host with Kahoot. It's a great tool for corporate training, teacher assessment, study and reviewing, fun with friends and family, learn at work, school or home with flashcards and practice, find and play Kahoot on any topics, create your own games in just seconds, host live games, play solo or challenge others, enjoy family events and get-togethers, host impactful meetings and presentation, engage students with interactive assessments. Those are the advantages of using the Kahoot app. So people are giving good reviews also. Alright, right now it's installing. Let's see what we got. We'll open it up and see what we got. So as you can see, export approved, about 50 million plus downloads. That is very good. Okay, it's in. I'm going to tap on open. Let's see, this is what it looks like. Welcome. Create, share and play learning games on the go. Next. What type of account do you like to create? So from here, this is going to be done in the next video. That's it for how to download and install Kahoot app on your mobile device. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.